Hello everyone, myself Monica. I want to share my views on international politics. Okay, in international politics, I want to share my views on international organization, UNO. Okay, because I have some facts on UNO. Okay, and but before starting the topic, I want to share that if you have a first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Okay. Now, starting with the topic facts about United Nations Organization. Number one, UNO came into existence as a result of United Nations Conference on International Organization in 1945 in San Francisco to draw up the United Nations Charter. It means that UNO came into existence, of which the result there is a conference, United Nations Conference on International Organization in 1945. Okay, the question has arisen, when did the United Nations Conference held for the existence of UNO? It was held in 1945. In where? In San Francisco. For what? To draw up the United Nations Charter. Number 2, UN Charter was signed on 26 June 1945 by 51 founding members. Here the question has arisen, when did UN Charter signed? When did UN Charter sign? UN Charter was signed on 26 June 1945. And how many founding members are there at that time? There are 51 founding members at that time. Number 3, Declaration of United Nations was drafted by Franklin Roosevelt, Winston Churchill, Harry Hopkins, and Roosevelt 8. Okay, here the question has arisen that who drafted the Declaration of United Nations, and the answer is the Declaration of United Nations was drafted by Franklin Roosevelt, Winston Churchill, Harry Hopkins, and Roosevelt 8. Okay, number 4, policeman was coined to refer to US, UK, Soviet Union, and China. It means that USA, UK, Soviet Union, and China has referred to or coined to as a 4 policeman for a UNO. Number 5, US President Franklin D. Roosevelt coined the term United Nation. Here the question has arisen of 1 marks. Who coined the term United Nation? US President Franklin D. Roosevelt coined the term United Nation. Number 6, Charter came into force 24th October 1945, which is observed as UN Day. Here the question has arisen, when did Charter came into force? The Charter came into force 24 October 1945. And what is the declaration of the day, or what is the observation of the day, which is observed as the UN Day? Okay, it is observed as the UN Day. Number 7, First Secretary General. Who is the first Secretary General of the UNO? Trive Lai, which is the Northern Foreign Minister. Number 8, it has its headquarters in Manhattan, New York, USA. Its headquarters was in Manhattan, New York, USA. Number 9, it has offices at Geneva, Vienna, and Nairobi. Where was its offices? Geneva, Vienna, or Nairobi. How many official languages of UNO are? There are 6 official languages of UNO. Number 1, Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish. There are 6 languages, official languages of UNO. That is Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish. And number 11, total number of member states are of September 2017 is 193. How many members are there of September 2017? The member states are 193. Okay. Now, it has 2 observer states, namely 2 observer states are there also, namely Holy See, Vatican City, and Palestine. These are the question of 1 marks. Okay, that how many member states are there in UNO, and which are the 2 observer states in UNO. It's Holy See, Vatican City, and Palestine. And there are 6 principal organs of UNO. There are 6 principal organs of UNO. Number 1, General Assembly. Number 2, Security Council. Number 3, Economic and Social Council. Number 4, Secretariat. Number 5, International Court of Justice. Number 6, UN Trusteeship Council, inactive since 1994. There are 6, but sixth one is inactive in 1994. Number 1, General Assembly. I repeated, number 1, General Assembly. Number 2, Security Council. Number 3, Economic and Social Council. Number 4, Secretariat. Number 5, International Court of Justice. Number 6, UN Trusteeship Council, which is inactive since 1994. These are some 6 principal organs of the UNO. And number 14, the organization won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2001. When did the organization won the Nobel Peace Prize? When did the organization won the Nobel Peace Prize? The organization won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2001. Okay, so here the topic is closed. There are some facts that I have told you about UNO. Okay, and I have the other topic of UNO that I have discussed in the other part of the video of UNO. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, share my video, and like my video. Okay, thank you.